Welcome back, everybody.
It's Mother's Day weekend, and we are headed for the Keokuk Yacht Club.
We got a steak fry and a band tonight, so stay tuned.
This should be a very action-packed episode. It's going to be a little shorter than some of the other ones we've done, but we're going to cram a lot of action into it. All right, we're going to crack this beer open because, well, it's the weekend. Happy Friday, friends. Happy Mother's Day weekend. And it is absolutely beautiful. It's going to get hot this weekend. I expect to actually be in that water this weekend. It's going to happen. So, cheers. We just basically came out here tonight because why not? Get out of the slip for a little bit. We're going to do some chicken skewers here shortly on that grill. We'll take some footage of that. There's a band playing at Turnwater, so I don't know if we'll get back into port in time to go check that out, but I adjusted stuffing boxes this week, and this is my first time out with them, so I'm just running it through a quick pace before we go on a long trip tomorrow. I had them just dripping way too fast, I thought, and fast enough that you start to see water in the bilge, and we didn't really have much of that last year, so I tightened them a little, hopefully not too much, but just take it for a little rip and see what happens and see how they settle in. That is
Getting some supper going. Got some chicken kebabs.
so I haven't taken any footage during the actual cooking of this, but we're out here apparently talking about something that, again, we would not talk about. I wouldn't even call this anything, but we're talking about the Pope, the Midwest Pope, I guess. But
He's from Chicago.
The chicken skewers are ready. They look delicious, so we're gonna eat.
And the woman on the bridge. When the barges call her, and if there's a train, she literally says, it'll be X amount of time because I have a train on me right now. And I lose it every time. It's so funny.
Yeah, I said we have to get some of that with some type of mic recording so we can get some of that VHF radio conversation, because she's got a train on her. Come on, like you can take that every way you want. She's got a train on her.
Okay. All right. You want to pull her forward just a touch?
We've had a couple questions about how bringing in the anchor works.
Yeah.
And so this is just a real quick showing you how it works. Okay, basically, Bonnie is telling me everything that's happening. Bonnie is controlling the actual windlass. She's just feeding me information, and I am just jogging the boat forward little by little so that the windlass doesn't actually pull the boat to the anchor. You're driving the boat to the anchor. For those of you who are into deep fans or have seen Into Deep, Gussie has recently went through the same situation with his anchor, and I think I'm actually going to do the same thing as he did to permanently solve it. So, for whatever reason, the swivel on these anchors likes to bind.
Yeah, buddy. Beautiful evening. Man, it's like you've done this before or something. Perfect.
We got a stick stuck to us?
Yeah.
Oh. What do we do?
I'll investigate. I'll take the poker.
It's in our exhaust output. That's where our exhaust comes out.
Little Saturday morning cruise. Headed down to the yacht club in Keokuk.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good ride today.
It's gorgeous out. So we're excited. We're staying on the wall tonight. And there's Bubba. And there's a steak fry, which is really cool. You actually make a reservation, you go in, you pick out your raw steak, whatever one you want. You take it out to this giant grill, and everybody's just standing around the grill making their steaks. And then when you're done, you go in and you get all the fixings. It's really cool. It's fun and delicious. And then there's a band afterwards.
Yep, band afterwards. So we get the front row seat for the band right on the wall.
Love it. It's one of my favorite things to do.
Absolutely. Yacht Club trips are fun.
Would be. This is what we call the Narrows. It's a real skinny channel. It gets real thin through here. It's never fun when you have to pass a barge or anything like that, but Randy was just saying, he's wondering when they're going to dredge it, make it wider.
I imagine this is going to go too much longer before a dredge shows up.
And then hopefully it's a bunch of good sand and they can make a beach for us down here. That would be phenomenal.
A little update. We are about 6 miles into our trip down to the yacht club, and we love this area, so we stop here and float. And I'm going to show you, there's beautiful cabins along here.
In my dream house.
Yeah, Bonnie's dream house is right over here. It's actually in some of our first videos, some of the entrances.
Jeez.
They're not even fresh hatchlings, actually. Those are getting big already.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, those have been hatched for a little while, a couple weeks anyway.
Woo! Got the lights on now. And spring became the summer.
Touching hands, shaking out, touching me, touching you.
Sweet Caroline. Ba, ba, ba.
I've never seen so good, so good,
So good. So good. Bum, bum, bum.
turning they never
Sea's state is building, and it'll bash us into the wall for the night, but it'll be
We
fine.
picked up.
Yep, it did. For some strawberry wine, of course.
late night, come home. Work sucks. I know she left me roses by the stairs. Surprises that you know she cares. Say it ain't so, I will let it go. Turn the lights off. What? Turn it me. Na 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 na
Happy Mother's Day! I got two of my kids with me.
Favorites, two best ones.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. And yeah, we've had jumping off the boat. We've had fishing.
I should have grabbed this for when she jumped.
None of that has happened on this boat. Really,
Yeah, they're
ever.
fishing.
So,
She actually caught a little catfish.
that's definitely the first fish I have ever seen brought on this boat.
Yes, for sure.
Well, I can't say that. I did catch some bluegills off the swim deck.
Oh, you did?
Last year.
You weren't literally... Oh, yeah, you were on the swim deck.
I
Okay.
was on the swim deck. Yep.
Beautiful day.
We are fishing, and we have a fish on. And it is the same catfish.
It's not a big
Give him a while to swim back down there and try that worm again, but he did. Oh, he's like, now you got me all wet. Spider web in the way.
We appreciate you all very much, and thanks for sticking around.
Do us a favor, everyone. Give the channel a subscribe if you're enjoying this content. We are really close to crossing the milestone of 200 subscribers to the channel. I think we need like 5 or 6, and we'd really like to get beyond 200 subscribers and get the content into more people's homes.